Breaking into a Blood's car.
Yeah.
Look.
They tend to help. Is this the side you tried on, or?
Man, I tried on both sides. You want me to show you what I was using? Watch.
What was you using?
Man, you're gonna be like, dude, what the fuck wrong with you? Why you put this on this car? We got a storage. I got the whole new lockout kit where I can screw all the things together, put it in there with the hook, close it, and pull the door open. Let me show you what I was using.
Jesus.
Please go ahead on and see.
Oh, that's disrespectful.
Now listen.
Let me put more of a hook on the end. That way it quits slipping off, hopefully. There we go. Whew. Thing is nice.
Man, this
Oh,
is
thank
my
you.
baby.